This one you wouldn't think to eat. Why? Because it's very prickly, right? You wouldn't know it, but anything from the thistle family or the prickly lettuce is actually the origins of where all lettuce came from. So there's accounts in Egypt 10,000 years ago of the first lettuce, and it was actually this. So remember how I said that one of the benefits of eating wild was that they're genetically stronger as plants? They haven't been hybridized. What is the hybridization process? 10,000 years ago, somebody got fed up with eating this bitter lettuce. And as they were trying the different lettuces, they figured out that one tasted sweeter than the next. So they collected those seeds and planted them the following year. Then once again, when all the lettuces grew, they found the sweetest one. And they picked that one. Then the following year, they found the sweetest and biggest one and picked the seeds and planted those. And they did this year after year till lettuce stopped looking like this, till it was sweet, lower in nutrition, and not prickly. And that's great, you know, because it tastes nice, it's good in salads, but the quality also went down.
Hey Sergei, prickly because most prickly things are edible, right?
A lot of the prickly things, I'm not going to say all prickly things, but a lot of the prickly things are edible because it's the plant telling you, hey, I'm so good I need some sort of defense so people don't eat me or animals don't eat me. What else is prickly that's very common? Roses, right? Rose petals are really edible. Rose leaves are really edible. Rose petals make the best Band-Aids because they're really thin. And in the US, I say they're so convenient because you can lick them and stick them. They stick really well.
But never eat them from the shop, because it's all sprayed.
Yeah, never eat food that's been sprayed. So how would you eat this?
What is it?
This is called a thistle. Purple thistle. Or another name would be prickly lettuce. You could actually cut the top off right into a blender and blend it up. One of the benefits of having either a Blendtec or a Vitamix, or I've been told that here you can buy for 75 euros a Philips blender. That's also really good. The stronger the blender, the smaller these spikes will get blended up, so the safer you will be. But remember, even, and this is kind of a joke, even if you get pricked in your tongue, there's juices in this that'll help you heal. So, haha, yeah?
So you would actually put the whole thing in the blender?
Yeah, totally.
You remove the top?
I would remove the flowers and the seeds just because I think it would taste better. Blend this with bananas, pears, and mangoes.
Flowers is not so edible. Not so tasty.
Flowers are edible, but they kind of feel like the cattail heads. They're really cottony. So another way, like in late summer, this sometimes will grow, you know, up to 2 meters tall. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
The stem will get a lot thicker. If you peel the stem very carefully with a knife, inside you will find a structure that's kind of like celery. And it'll kind of taste like celery, sometimes taste like cucumber. And the bottom, like this much of the bottom, the rootstock, once again, is very edible. You can chop it up in salads. I'm giving you variety here. Any questions about prickly lettuce? No?
Cactuses are also prickly.
Only use it in the
Most,
blender.
as far as I know, they're
I wouldn't.
poisonous.
Yeah, I wouldn't chop this up in a salad.
poisonous ones.
It'd be kind of dangerous.